Welcome back to my channel. How are you everyone? I'm going to make a tutorial series. It's going to be a tutorial series on complete mobile app design for iOS. So we're going to make these screens. All the screens in different videos throughout the series. So let's jump into designing. Go to the home, click the plus, create a new design file. First rename it to Event Hub. YouTube. This app is going to be an event app where you can easily find event around you and in your city or specific budget, or you can filter out based on your choice, budget and interests. So let's create a frame first. iPhone 16 Pro, click it here. So now we should browse. We don't have any assets here. We need to add the status bar. So browse Steam libraries, UI kits, iOS and iPad OS 26, add to file. So this library has been added and we have already pre-made components here. It is made by Apple. So status bar, search for status bar. We got the status bar, just drag it and drop it here. So we have designed our status bar first. This is welcome screen, rename it to welcome. And we need to add layout guide. If you don't know what is layout guide is some columns which will help you design easily. So we should add some layout guide here. Click on the layout guide. Columns should be 4 columns and margin should be 16. So if you don't know what is margin, here from this to this is 16 pixel margin. From this to this is 16 pixel margin, and the gutter width is 20 pixel. The distance between two columns is 20 pixel. Okay, we have added our layout guide. Now close it. So now we'll have an image. Let's see our event app. We'll need an image here. This image and this button and text. So to generate image, I usually go to the Gemini and generate my image. So go to the Gemini. Let's create an image here. So it will generate me an image. So let it generate image. We should go back here, and what will be there? Event hub, this button. We can generate this, we can create this button, but let's see if it's been generated or not. Suppose you can generate your own image by writing more better prompt. Let me download this image for now. Now we have to get this image here. So create a frame, press F and draw a frame here. This frame will hold that image here. So go to the fill, go to the fill here, gradient pattern image, upload from computer. So we have downloaded our Gemini generated image. Let's open it. So now we have uploaded our image here. Now we will make our text event hub. So press T, write event hub. So you can center it by pressing this here, and we will use the inter font. It should be black, and font size, the bigger the better, let's say 36 pixel. And line height, we don't need line height because it's one line. We can add line height to 130%. So this is our event hub, and we have a text here: find events near you, those fit your interest and schedule. So let's write it here. Let's change the font first. It should be 16 pixel. It should be regular. So 16 pixel regular enter. So what's the text here? Find events near you. Find events near you, those fit your interest and schedule. Those fit your interest and schedule. Interest, CH. So we can drag and resize this text. Right now it's center aligned. We can align left, or center align looks good. So now we have written this text. Anything here? The line height 130 pixels, 16, center aligned. So now it's looking good. So since these two are a package, so we can select both of them and press Shift A to turn it into an auto layout. Now we can drag it, the whole package. So let's put it in the center. This is the center. Now we have one more thing left, that is our button, get started. So how can we create this button? So press T, write get started. It should be smaller, not 36, it can be 20 pixel. It should not be black, it should be semi-bold. Click it, press Shift A. Now drag to the corner of our layout guide. That's why we have added the layout guide. So we'll have a consistent padding throughout our app. So the color should be orange. Orange is our accent color of the app. So we'll add this color to a variable. Create variable. If you don't know how to go to the variable, click in the empty space, then click the variables, create color, let's say accent color. Accent color should be orange. We need the exact color here. You can click it, go to the variable, this color. So we got our color. Now this height should be 56 pixel because it's a CTA button. So CTA button usually 56 pixel height. And let's add fill color, go to the library, accent color, and this should be white. So white should also come from the variable. So let's go to the variable, add another color white. This is FFF. So now we should get it from the variable. So this should come from the library, white. Let's add some corner radius here. Corner radius, let's say 16 pixel. All right, now our first screen looks good. So press Shift G to get rid of the layout guide. And so this is our first screen, event hub. So we have designed our welcome screen. In the next tutorial we will make another screen that would be this interest setup screen. So this is enough for today. If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel, and we will make video tutorial every day throughout 2026. So stay tuned, happy designing, and cheers.